Well, recently one of these little disposable $15 heaters, it's actually made by Lakewood, bit the dust. This is part of what one of my subscriptions calls a heating enhancement system. I run these to keep the load off the heat pump in the winter. So with that in mind, I had another heater that I haven't used in a long time in the house, and I thought, well, this thing's just been sitting around, so why not clean it up some and bring it on in, and I use it in the bathroom when I'm getting ready to take a shower and things like that. So she's in there purring away right now, you may hear it, so let's go check on it and see how it's doing. There she is. Ain't she a beaut? Got this paint cleaned up, so it's looking pretty good now. And believe it or not, it just works like a charm. It's nice and toasty here in the bathroom now, so I'll be able to enjoy shaving and shower and things like that without getting too cold. So there you go. Nice abandoned heater has now got a second lease on life.